The important stages of life are clearly imprinted in the mind during childhood. These should be evident in the laughter and crying of children. The same is true for those who have their minds set on the main issues of humanity. Their descriptions may not be fully understood by future generations as they are predictable but not experiential. Similarities affect the recognition of periods. South America has recently been seen separating from the northern continent and some southern parts of Africa. It is not entirely clear whether it is caused by humans or nature and whether it will happen in the near future or over time. It can be said that the foreshadows ongoing cultural changes, recent natural disasters or wars, and even geological changes over time. This will also include matters related to the Panama Canal. These are all issues that deserve world attention.